to the channel. You know it's your girl Life with Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. So today we finna react to a video. It's the Subway performer Mike Young, Unchained Melody, 23rd Street viral sensation. So let's see what's going on down in the subway, and let's get right into the video. Let me tell y'all, people who like do this like in the subways, like on the corner, they showing their talent, they got a lot of confidence because they go out here singing in front of a whole bunch of people, especially people who take this stuff seriously, who really, and they gotta really believe in themselves, because they just going out in the public trying to gain somebody's attention. Maybe, you know, somebody who famous or somebody who got connections that could put them on. They really got a lot of confidence and actually believe in themselves that they can actually go out and do this. Like, they got whole drums and everything set up, and this man sound good too. Like, okay, she's so nice. They got a guitar, everything. Like, they just out here, and it's really nice. They got their whole little setup, and this lady gave them some change, and she watching. That is so nice. And it only take one person to stop or give money, and everybody else gonna follow along. Only take one person. Like he could, like a church, like in the church, a singer in the church. You know, his voice, his pipes, like he could sing, like he a singer in the church. Okay, Deacon Mike Young. Nah, I don't know if he's a deacon, but. Y'all, I'm watching this video like I'm there watching this man in the back with this hat on. Like, he just looking weird. Like, if I was actually that, I'd have my eye like on him, making sure he ain't trying to do nothing crazy. Like, I'm watching the video through the TV, but I'm watching this man in the back. Like, it's so nice. That is so nice. It was all nice. And it wasn't no like it was nice. And the people around them, that was really nice. Like I said, you gotta have courage, you gotta have confidence in yourself, you gotta have courage to go out here, believe in yourself, to go out and stand in front of all these people and sing, you know, because people be like, they can't sing or whatever like that. So you really gotta believe in yourself that you could do it. But that's the end of this video. That was a Subway performer, Mike Young, Unchained Melody. So you guys go check this video out, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn that post notification bell on, and let's get right into the next.